What's going on, guys? FadeitLuie here, bringing you guys a brand new video. We're going to be doing a mid-fade comb over on my boys, so stay tuned. We're going to be starting off by creating our first guideline with our Auster octanes. You want to be sure to contour the guideline to their head shape so that the fade fits them. Now that we're done balding them out with our Auster octanes, we can move on to our 3.5 guard and debulk with our Auster octanes, creating our silhouette. Now that we're done debulking and creating our silhouette, we can move on to our no guard all the way open and create our second guideline. We're also going to use the lever midway and all the way closed to help us erase that initial guideline we created with our octanes. Now that we're done erasing our initial guideline, we can move on to our 1 guard all the way open and create our third guideline. Remember, we're going to use the lever midway and all the way closed to help soften up this line, getting ready for the half guard. Now that we're done softening up the line with the 1 guard and its lever, we can move on to the half guard and erase it completely. This is going to help us connect the no guard all the way open to the 1 guard all the way open. Since we already debulked with our Auster octanes 3.5 guard, we can move on to our 1.5 guard and erase the line completely. Now that we're done erasing the line with our 1.5 guard, we can move on to our clipper over comb method and use our horizontal strokes to debulk. It's always best to make sure the hair is a little bit saturated so it's easier to pick up with the comb. We're also using the vertical strokes to make sure we blend as much as possible. to our previous guards like the 1.5 guard to detail as much as possible. We're also going to go back to the no guard all the way open to increase the fade and make sure everything's nice and blurry, flicking out with the strokes. Now that we're done detailing the sides, we can move on to the back and start off with our no guard all the way open. Remember, we're going to use the lever midway and all the way close to help us erase that initial guideline. Since we're done erasing our initial guideline, we can move on to our 1 guard all the way open and use the comb to feed the hair into the clippers. We're also using the lever midway and all the way closed to help soften up this line, getting ready for the 1/2 guard. I hope you guys are enjoying the video. Please leave a like, comment, and subscribe. It's greatly appreciated. Also, always make sure to check out my daily live streams. Now that we're done using our lower guards, we could go back to our Oster Octanes and use our 3.5 guard to debulk and feed the hair into the clipper using the comb. We're then going to use our 1.5 guard and its lever to erase this line completely, getting it ready for the 1 guard all the way open. Most of the time after using your 1.5 guard, there's still going to be a faint line, so switching over to your 1 guard all the way open would definitely help. Using our clipper over comb method, we're going to debulk the top using our horizontal strokes. Now that we're done blending the sides and back, we can move on to the top and saturate the hair as much as possible. Now that we're done saturating the hair, we're going to comb everything in place and create our first guideline on the left side of the head. When using shears, you want to make sure the hair is nice and saturated so you can get its true length. You always want want to use your comb to feed the hair into your fingers, keep them as straight as possible, and never go past the second knuckle with your blade. I hope you guys are enjoying the video. Please leave a like, comment, and subscribe. It's greatly appreciated. Also, always make sure to check out my daily live streams. Before we line him up, we're going to debulk with our one guard all the way open. We're also going to use a little bit of Tresemme hairspray to hold the hairs in place. Now that we're done preparing the hairline, we can move on to our Amnesty outliners and start off at the middle, working our way to the sides. Moving on to the C-cups, I always start off at the bottom and work my way to the top arch using the corners of the blade. You also want to make sure not to press too hard here because you could bite them with the teeth of the trimmer or irritate the skin. Always make sure to keep the corners as natural as possible. You don't want to go too deep because you could mess up the angle of the hair. Now that we're done lining them up, we can move on to our Turkish razor and Derby Premium blades and make them as crispy as possible. When you're using the razors, you always want to make sure you stretch the skin with your opposite hand, and you also keep the blade at a 45-degree angle. This lowers the likelihood of you cutting someone.